This is DSLR camera. I will turn its HDMI output become the wireless, and then I will use the iPad to display the HDMI video. How to do? This is wireless HDMI to iOS adapter. I will let this HDMI output become wireless. Connect to this HDMI output and add the power, DC 5 voltage. Turn on the power, and then wait 30 SEC. Turn on the iPad management. Turn on the Wi-Fi. You will see this one, RS screen SSID, connect it. And then turn on the app, RS screen, this one, touch. Yes, because it is too close, so it will echo. Okay, and you can see. And you can see it's the video, very smooth. No in, no loud. Very smooth. At the same time, 4 devices as a wireless monitor for this DSLR.